Have you just bought AirPods 3 and you are looking for some nice accessory suggestions for your device? Then watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, I am Nikhil from iGeeks blog, and today in this video I'll talk about the 6 different essential accessories for your AirPods, and those are nice case, wireless charger, braided cable, ear hook, neck strap and cleaning kit. I'll try to cover 2 different products from each category and I'll link them below in the description so you can buy them easily. So now let's first talk about a nice case for your AirPods 3. Unfortunately, Apple does not offer any accessories for any AirPods, and that's why we need to look somewhere and find some nice cases from the third parties, and the first on the list is Spigen. This silicone case for AirPods 3 has a stylish look. Spigen used shock-absorbing material which is smooth to touch and protects against the sudden falls. Easy port access to charge your AirPods with a lightning cable and support for a MagSafe wireless charging. Perfect cuts for the light indicator. Also, it has a clip so we can clip it to bag or any other objects. Spigen priced it at just $18, but you can always find a great deal on Amazon to get at a discounted price. Now let's talk about the rugged case for who often drop their AirPods. The case by the brand Mobosi gives excellent protection for the AirPods 3. It is made from the hard carbon fiber material with a shockproof corner to provide 360-degree protection. The great thing is it comes with a security lock that keeps the lid closed. Just in a case, if you drop your AirPod, it will prevent you from losing any earbud. Nicely designed case with perfect cutouts for LED indicators and easy access to charging port. This case will cost you just $15. But there is a one downside. It supports wireless charging but not MagSafe wireless charging. Now let's talk about the MagSafe wireless charger. If you are an Apple fanboy, then there is no alternative option for you. Just go for a MagSafe charger by Apple. And if you are not, and if you are looking for some affordable solution, then I have a 2 different products from the brand Belkin and Powerlot, which offers a MagSafe charger for your AirPods 3. This one is again from the trusted brand Belkin. The great thing about this, it is the length of the cable, which is 2 meters. It offers seamless magnetic attachment for fast charging. This Belkin MagSafe charger is light in weight and compatible with iPhone 12 and 13 series. It costs the same as Apple MagSafe charger, and that is $39. But one great thing is it comes with 20-watt fast charging power brick included in the box. Isn't this a great deal? Like, you can get a long power cable of 2 meters and power brick in the box. Now let's talk about the another MagSafe wireless charger by the brand Powerlot. Powerlot wireless charging pad could snap easily to the charging area and hold on the bag to charge the device. The magnetic charger will recognize different devices and provide the suitable patterns for them. So if you are charging your iPhone 12 or a 13 or AirPods, it will recognize it and will adjust the wireless charging speed to charge your device fast. It has built-in powerful magnets and can hold up to 600 grams of weight. It comes with a CE, FCC certification and uniquely protects the technology that provides short circuit protection, over voltage protection and over temperature protection. It comes with a 2 years of warranty and costs just $20. And yes, power brick is not included in the box. Just in a case, if you are not fan of wireless charger and you love to charge your AirPods with a lightning cable, then let me tell you one thing. Apple lightning cable is not that durable if I compare to braided one, and that's why I am here with the 2 different braided cable from the different brands. This USB Type-C to lightning cable by the brand ESR that supports PD fast charging to charge your AirPods and iPhone. It has a double braided nylon casing and uses quality aluminum connectors that provide test certified durability. ESR priced it at just $12 and the cable length is 1 meter. But if you are looking for a cable which is long enough and MFI certified too, then the next braided cable by the brand Accent is for you. This is a 6 feet long MFI certified USB Type-C to lightning cable. It has 2 great qualities. One is a protective metal and another it can last up to 30,000 bendings. It has special strain relief design with a premium aluminum housing and bulletproof braided nylon. One more great thing, it can hold up to 175 pounds, or in other words 80 kg of weight. I mean, we need to hold 80 kg with the cable. Another great thing, it comes with a lifetime warranty and costs only $10. Now let's talk about the two different products. One is ear hook and one is neck strap that will help you to be fearless while you are wearing your AirPods. This ear hook has a transparent design and compatible with all the version of AirPods. It is designed to prevent falling, great for workout, jogging and other activities. It is dirt resistant and can be washed and recycled. This ear hook cost just $5. The next ear hook is by the brand Ilago and got some good ratings from the buyers. It has 8 different color options and maybe that's why it is the favorite product from the buyers. It is made from a TPU material and gives comfort fit to the ears. You can get this ear hook at just $10 and can always find a great discounted price on Amazon. Now let's talk about the neck strap. This neck strap is Amazon's choice and got highest rating from the buyers. It is made of adapted finest soft silicone and will not harm your skin. It has total 6.7 inches of length and also an option to adjust the length for your comfortness. Easy to install and compatible with all the versions of AirPods. It comes with 3 different color options, black, white and red, and cost around $10 to $12. The next one is non-adjustable neck strap. This is made from a silicone material, easy to install and wear. It has 6 different color options and the great thing is they are cheaper. It costs only $6 for the pair of 2 neck straps. So I am done with the product suggestion from the 5 different categories and the next one is the cleaning kit. Let me suggest the one which is again choice of Amazon. This AirPods cleaning kit is the perfect one for a dirt and earwax removal from the AirPods. The package includes 90 cleaning putty, 100 cleaning sticks, 5 soft bristle brushes, 2 different kind of cleaning brushes, 2 microfiber cloths, 1 steel tweezer and 2 set of wet and dry cleaning wipes. It will cost you just $14. The next option is again the best seller product on Amazon. At the price of $13, you will get 90 strong gunk remover, 100 pointed cleaning sticks, 5 soft bristle brushes, 1 lipstick shaped soft brush, 1 air blower, 1 black microfiber cloth, and 30 ml empty bottle to fill gadget cleaner. So this is it. I have suggested 12 different products for your AirPods. You can find the link of all the products in the description down below. Do let me know if you are buying any product or if you have any other product in your mind, comment them below. Along with that, like this video, share this video, and I almost forgot to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit the red subscribe button and turn on all the notifications to never miss such great piece of content from us. One more thing, download our all-new iGeeks blog app to enjoy exclusive content about everything Apple. Now, allow me to say goodbye. I'm Nikhil signing off. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay connected.